Hello friends, today we learn the new poem Stay Calm, composed by Grenville Kaiser. Grenville Kaiser 1868 to 1935 was the author of a long list of inspirational books and guides to oratorical success and personality development. Grenville Kaiser is one of the greatest author and poet. He has written inspirational books and also guides to the oratorial success and the personality development. He also arranged the personality development programs for the students. Among his titles were Inspiration and Ideals, Christ the Master Speaker, How to Succeed in Life, and Taking God into Partnership. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, he sent out checks for $1 each enclosed with a note reading to aid business. In the Depression of 1930s, he was one of the greatest author to send the check for $1 each for the business of the writers. To aid the business is the heading of that note. The present poem Stay Calm. Stay calm means you should maintain your mental peace while facing the difficult situation. In this poem, Kaiser counsels readers to keep calm in the face of the many big and small upsets of life, stating that a tranquil temperament is the most potent weapon one can have against adversity. In this poem, Kaiser counsels to the reader that to keep calm while facing in a very big or small upsets in the life. Life is a battle. Life is like a battle, and in life there are many small and big upsettings happens in every day. But Grenville Kaiser suggests that we are not upset by the unpleasant atmosphere or unpleasant situation around us. At that time, he suggests that we should keep your mind calm and quiet. Friends, the actual poem, when you feel like saying something that you know you will regret, when someone insults him, at that time you are feeling very regret, or you are very upset by mind, but the situation is not healthy for the betterment of your mind and your future life. At that time, nor keenly feel an insult, not quite easy to forget. When someone insulted to you, that it is not easy to forget the situation or forget the words someone told about you. That's the time to curb resentment and maintain a mental peace. At that time, whatever may be the situation, you have to maintain your mental peace. For when your mind is tranquil, when you maintain your mental peace, then your mind should be in tranquil. All your ill thoughts simply cease, and all your ill thoughts, when at the insulting time or at the bad time, then the ill thoughts automatically cease and your mind will be doing properly. It is easy to be angry when defrauded or defied, to be peeved and disappointed. When it is easy to be angry, very easy to angry on someone, when the someone defraud or defied your order, at that time you becomes irritated and disappointed. Obviously, it is the natural tendency of human beings, but at that time when you disappointed or irritated from that situation or from that moment, at that time it is not healthy to your health and mental health also. If your wishes are denied, but to win a worthwhile battle over selfishness and spite, your wishes are denied by someone because some people likes you and some dislikes you. Obviously, your wishes denied by some people, at that time you should keep your mental balance, you should stay calm, and because you have to tackle the situation or you have to win a worthwhile battle over your selfishness and spite. You must learn to keep strict silence, though you know you are in right. You must learn to keep strict silence in a very unhealthy situation or in a very indifferent situation that is not likes to your approach and your mind also. At that time you should keep calm and you should keep your mind very silent, and you should be silence when you are right also, because by doing that your mind also do the proper work. Otherwise the mind also unhealthy at that situation. So keep your mental balance when confronted by a foe. Even if you are confronting or you are facing your foe, at that time you becomes irritated by seeing the foe before you, but at that time you should have to maintain your mental peace, and your mental peace, when your mental balance is in equilibrium, then you are ready to tackle the indifferent situations in your life. Be it empty in enemy in ambush or some danger that you know, if you are poised and tranquil when all around is strife, be assured that you have mastered the most vital things in life. If you are poised or if you are maintaining the tranquility in your mind when in any situation we found around you, then you should be a master of the mind, and the poet assured that you have the masters of that situation and the most vital things in your life, that is, you stay your mind in a calm and quiet position. It means that you win the battle of life not by anger but by maintaining the peace of mind. So, we are not angry with others or not seeing the bad situation. You becomes angry or irritated. At that time, you should have to maintain the mental balance and you should follow the strict silence. That is the most vital things in our life. Okay, friends.